Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to show you guys a new product that we will be offering by ABC Concept. This is going to be the Quadro model. Now this particular model is shown in a gold finish. I talk to you guys all the time about how much I love the gold color. So this is actually going to be sold as a coal burning stove, so you will have the ability to burn both coal or wood in the firebox. Now again, I always talk about this, but any type of product that is rated to burn coal is able to withstand much hotter temperatures. So it's made from a nice thick steel to withstand those hotter temperatures. You do have your damper controls located on the bottom of the stove. The stove is going to have fire brick lining on the sides and the rear and the bottom of the stove. This is convection style, so your heat will radiate out the sides and the top of the stove. So I can actually feel this heat like pouring out. If I had a lighter and I held it up over here, you would actually see it blowing the flame a little bit. So again, nice big glass viewing area. You will get 2 damper controls. This model is going to be a top vent only stove. It does take a 6-inch flue. So again, ABC products, they're very well built. They come from Serbia, made of nice quality material. And honestly, again, for the price point, it's really hard to find a better product on the market. So I hope that you guys find this product interesting. Let me know in the comments on the video, what do you guys think about the gold color? I love it, but they do have a lot of other color options available. If you don't like the gold, what color would you like to see this stove in? What are your thoughts? Do you like the style? Look at how this burns. I just love how these stoves burn so clean. The glass looks so nice. Yeah, so again, this is going to be rated for coal, and it's pretty hard to find a contemporary style coal stove like this. Most of the coal stoves on the market are going to be just kind of very basic steel stoves, not available in colors, and a lot of them are manufactured by the Amish. So again, this is going to be a Serbian stove that we do import. I hope you guys find this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel in the corner of the video. Don't forget to share our videos, check out our Facebook page. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, have a wonderful day.